Hello traders, I hope guys you had a bank profit today. Today we had amazing volatility, especially after the NFP news, and most of my traders bank amazing profit, 100 plus pips. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders through live intraday analysis to bank that amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to three major currency pair: EURUSD and the pound dollar and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, guys, yesterday I haven't uploaded analysis because the market was quiet, but today we had amazing because we were waiting for today. As you can see in 4 hour, we were short from this breakout from yesterday, bank beautiful pips, and this is the news reaction. As you can see here, market came up, and afterwards, as soon as the market came back to this level, we were short, and as soon as the market hit to the 55 EMA in 4 hour, and as you can see here, 1 to 3rd level, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze and refine the entries and exit to help my traders to enter and exit. Okay, if you look at the analysis, let me share with you guys here. Okay, as I said to you guys, this is the analysis. We are short as you can see. Let me put my pointer. Okay, so from here in 4 hour we were short here, and intraday you can see here, this is the bearish flag pattern developed. We have breakout and afterwards pull back short trade here. That was the yesterday, bank beautiful pips. And today we were waiting for the NFP news, but we also had another beautiful pullback short trade here, as long as the momentum was bearish. And after the news, as you can see here, this is the news reaction. So after the news, I said to my trader, let the dust settle down, then we're going to find any valid technical pattern. We'll see how the market is going to do, and then we're going to take a trade. And after the news, as you can see here, market came back at this level. Explained to my trader, look for this breakout, and the safest trade, as basically I explained both aggressive and the safest trade. Aggressive was breakout, safest was after the breakout and pullback. We have one pullback, second pullback, as soon as the price hit to the profit target, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had amazing trade on EURUSD, and let me share with you the pound dollar. Most of the pair we had amazing profit today. If you look at the pound dollar, we have this pattern. I explained to my trader. After this, you can see here, this is the news reaction. We have spinning top candle develop, and I explained to my trader, if the price gonna break this level, then we're gonna keep taking a pullback short trade here, and possibility price might gonna break this level. Let's see. So how I analyze market in intraday, let me share with you guys. And if you show you here, even from yesterday we were short here. As you can see here, this is the trade from yesterday, because yesterday market was quiet, so we had this breakout. And as always, after the breakout, as explained to my trader, look for previous low and recent high, which is broken. And after the breakout, price retest, and we had a two beautiful pullback, beautiful pips yesterday and today. As I explained to me, as always, after the breakout, always look for the pullback. As you can see here, after that, price develop another beautiful pullback. Even if you look at here, this was the bearish flag pattern to bank beautiful pips. And explain to my trader, wait for the news. As you can see here, this is the news reaction. Price came back, and as explained to my trader, let's let the market settle down. And after this market, we explained to my trader, this is the price action. So price tried to break this create. So we're looking here technically pull back at this level, or possibility of breakout or breakout this way. So these are the possibilities after the market news, after half an hour. As you can see here, the safest way, I explained to my trader, we have breakout. And after the breakout, the best safest way, price nicely came back here and hit this level again, develop up, retest, give us the confirmation. As soon as the price hit this level around the big psychological number, around 132,000 level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see here, we had an amazing trade on pound dollar bank, beautiful pips. We explain all that price action and the market structure in a live market, guys. That's the beauty. That's the way you're going to develop a trading skill, when you see a live happening and you get the audio commentary. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade. Wow, what a beautiful trade, guys. Okay, let me explain to you guys. So we had it beautiful. We were waiting for this breakout from yesterday, and as you can see, we had a lot of rejection. So explain to me psychologically, most of the traders, they were waiting for short. I said, guys, let's wait for the NFP news and let's see how the market is going to do, and then we're going to take a trade. So we had this short trade here, bang, beautiful pips. We also had a long trade here. Some of the traders are bang, beautiful pips, some of them still holding it, and they're expecting the price might gonna hit this level. Fantastic. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday and help my traders to bank beautiful pips. Okay, so this is the breakout as mentioned in 4 hour. This is the breakout we are looking, and intraday we had this breakout. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. Okay, so then afterward I explained to my trader, look for another pullback. So I explained to my trader the market structure. If the price gonna break this previous level, then we probably gonna be long trade, but that's explained in detail. So after the breakout, pullback, explain to my trader, these are the level, so pullback. So we had another beautiful pullback, bank few pips as soon as the price hit to the support level, major support level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. Afterwards, as explained to my trader, possibility of reversal at this level, but we need a valid technical entry. That's what I explained to my trader, if the price is going to stay below that, short. Otherwise, you can see here the price developed like W shape and broken this one, and explain to my trader, now it look like the price is going to reverse. And if you look at here, we have a diversion, which is explained to my trader, then possibility of reversal. The safest way, as explained to my trader, look for this trend breakout. That's going to be, even if you look at here, we have in 4 hour, this is the trend. So we explained to my trader, look for this breakout. Momentum was developed bullish. I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So we had a breakout, one pullback, second pullback. As soon as the price hit to this target around this level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And still, as you can see here, price still going up. So you can see how we analyze market in 4 hour, major support and resistance, and then how we analyze it, refine entries and exit in intraday. That's what exactly we do every single day and bank profit every single day. All right, so let me share with you a couple of more trades. We had amazing trade, guys, especially we had both long and short on pound yen, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar. Let me share with you the pound yen. We had amazing trade, guys. You can see a downside channel pattern, and we had a long trade. After this candle, we were expecting price might gonna break this level, and we had a long trade, bank few pips as soon as the price hit this previous high. And then afterwards we have this breakout, and we have taken a short trade here, and explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade here until the price can hit this yellow support line. So we were still enjoying it, this pullback. Let me share with you guys how I define the entries in intraday. That's the key important thing, is that's what we analyze in 4 hour. If you look at this morning, we were long here. You can see here, this is the breakout, long here, and then afterwards we have another beautiful long trade here. Bank as soon as the price hit to this resistance level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. You can see here we had a beautiful pips, and afterwards, as you can see here, price nicely came back, and that's what I explained to my trader, guys, we're going to enter if we get any retest or pullback at this level, around this level. That's what I explained to my trader. What happened here, you can see exactly we had a pullback here. As soon as the price developed, look at the bottom, momentum was bearish. Explained to my trader, enjoying profit, right? And we have another beautiful, you can see a bearish flag pattern, and we announce all these pullbacks through live audio. As soon as the price is about to develop, respect this support level, and that's why I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And some of the traders are still holding it, but I finished my day because today is Friday. I need to enjoy my weekend. So we had an amazing trade, guys. You can see a beautiful, that's what we explained in 4 hour. Look at the bias structure and then refine the entries and enjoy the profit. We have beautiful Aussie dollar, amazing trade. We have this breakout from yesterday. We have this breakout, and today we were short pullback, and this candle is actually the market reaction, the news reaction. As soon as the price came back here, stay below, I said to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. We have this breakout, and then afterward, just keep taking a pullbacks. Let me share with you guys how I analyze entries in intraday. This is what exactly I'm trying to show you guys here. You can see here, this is the analysis. This is the breakout, as you can see here from yesterday in 4 hour. This is what I mentioned you. We have a breakout. After the breakout, pullback. Then after the news, this is the news reaction. Basically, as you can see here, market came back suddenly. That's what I explained to my trader. Look, wait for that. As you can see here, price is explained to my trader. If the price is gonna break this level, and as you can see here, this level, then we're taking a long here. Or if the price gonna break this level, as you can see here, price respected, then taking a short trade here, and then possibility of taking. So we had this breakout. As soon as the price reached to this level, that's what I explained to my trader, guys. You can have another scaling short trade here. And then instantly I did another analysis, as you can see here. This one explained to my trader, another scaling trade, short trade here, breakout, and if the price can break, then long, but more likely momentum is bearish. We have another beautiful breakout short trade here. As soon as the price rejection, explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see here we had amazing trade, beautiful on Aussie dollar and even Kiwi dollar. We had amazing trade. We were looking in 4 hour, major structure is broken, as you can see, support level. We were short here, and this candle is the news reaction. After that, breakout short trade and pullback. Let me share with you quickly this analysis too. Intraday, that's what exactly we do for I analyze market and refine entries and exit. As you can see, this was the breakout, pretty straightforward from yesterday, bank beautiful few pippies, and today this is the news reaction. After the news, explained to my trader, as you can see here, to look for the breakout. As you can see here, price nicely, as that's what we explained to my trader. We have this, we're looking at this level. If the price gonna break or this level previous high, then long here, otherwise short here. We have this breakout, and afterwards we have another pullback. And then as soon as the price hit to the previous low level, I explained to my trader there's still another opportunity. You can see here, scaling trade. I did another analysis, so you can take another short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the major support level, that's the time when I said to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. As you can see, guys, how I analyze market in 4 hour, how I help my traders to refine an entries and exit in intraday and bank pips every single day. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit like my other traders in real time. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where basically you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. And if you have question, you can ask the analyst in real time. You will get the answer in the real time. That's the only way you're going to develop, trading skill effectively. And once you develop your trading skill and you produce consistency result in the virtual platform during the practice, and if I see you doing very good, I can also help you to get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I help and train my traders in the live market in real time and how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend, guys, and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.